Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your HTC Desire 12S, at first you have to move for the Play Store, get Repost for Instagram application. We have to get this one from Kimsey929. So let's get it. Right now we can open. And here we have two ways how to download these pictures, by tapping on the share button or using the three dots. So right now open Instagram. Right now I will take picture from our account. For example, this one. And then by using these three dots, click to share to. Select Repost for Instagram, and right now I can close it and open Repost application. Click on the picture. Right now we can take off the signature and save by clicking right here. Accept. It was saved to the gallery, so right now just simply open the gallery. So where did the gallery on the HTC smartphone? Maybe in the tools? In the downloads? I don't think so, but maybe it will be in the images right here in the Repost for Instagram folder. And as you can see, here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!